Hey guys, Zachariah here from thewindcutter.com. In this video, I'll be demoing the wind jacket for the Sony PCM D50. First I'll set up the recorder, and then we'll take a look at the wind jacket. I'm going to point the mic straight ahead. (20 dB off), limiter off, low cut off, and I'll set the levels to 4. Alright, here we have the wind jacket. It's designed to entirely encase the recorder in fur to eliminate as much wind noise as possible. The recorder goes in through the bottom opening. It is a little stiff, but it's designed that way so the recorder can't fall out. Okay, make sure the elastic straps are in place and close up the Velcro. It has a built-in layer of acoustic foam up here in the mic area. The vinyl window allows you to monitor levels and gives you access to front panel controls. The Velcro openings on the sides allows you to plug in all your wires, and then it seals down around them. It also has a reinforced mounting hole. Now time for the fan test. Behind me here I have an industrial fan, and I'll be turning it on high. There we go. Now I'll take off the wind jacket and show you the difference it makes. Okay, so we got the wind jacket back on. Sounds a lot better, doesn't it? You can actually hear my voice. No need for the subtitles. So if you're doing any type of outdoor recording, get yourself a wind jacket. You'll be glad you did. The link's in the description.